This is our lesson number 43 in Sapphire Kingdom Gemology YouTube channel. Please subscribe and give a like and share to your old friends to whom they like to join to the industry. So, in this lesson, we are using Zoisite family. There are three parts are coming with Zoisite family. This is the part one. In this family, we have to understand very well about the pleochroism stone. Pleochroism, you know from earlier. In this Zoisite family stone, Tanzanite is the most famous one. And you know already the x-axis here. This is y-axis. The angle between x and y-axis here is 90 degrees. And look at the green color y-axis and the blue color z-axis. The angle between the y and z-axis also 90 degrees. Angle between the x-axis and the z-axis is also 90 degrees. These are the three directions called 3D. In Z direction here, X direction here, Y direction is here. In this special stone, pleochroism gives in three ways. X, pale pink to red violet. The color gives to this. When we see this from this angle, we can see the pale pink to red violet. When we see from this angle, it shows nearly colorless to bright pink or deep blue. If we see from the Z-axis, we can see pale yellow to yellow green. There are three colors is given in this pleochroism. So Zoisite family is very bright family. So tri colors are given. In here, this is the green Tanzanite stone, very famous because this is very close to blue sapphire. Remember the pleochroism of the stone. This is the rough stone. X-axis, from when we watch from the x-axis, we can see pale pink to red violet. When we see from here y-axis, we can see nearly colorless or bright pink or deep blue. From the Z-axis, we can see pale yellow to green yellow. This is the famous thing in Tanzanite. The main stone we are discussing here is Tanzanite. Tanzanite is very beautiful stone. We need to understand the family, physical properties of Zoisite and Clinozoisite. In this Zoisite family, we are discussing there are two varieties, Zoisite and Clinozoisite. So you have to understand both. To explain the properties, I use this table. Calcium aluminium silicate hydroxide is the common formula. So now in here Zoisite is there, here Clinozoisite. We can check the differences there. Chemical classification, both are silicates. Zoisite also silicate, Clinozoisite also silicate. Color, Zoisite colorless, gray, yellow, brown, pink, green, blue, and violet are there. Clinozoisite usually gray, yellow, green, or pink. Streak, white, both are white. Luster, vitreous to granular. Sugary. Diaphanate, that is ability to transmit light. It is translucent to transparent. Zoisite. Clinozoisite also translucent to transparent. Cleavage, both have perfect cleavage with one direction. Hardness 6.5 both. Specific gravity, both are 3.2 up to 3.4. Zoisite and Clinozoisite. Diagnostic properties, hardness, specific gravity, striated crystals. striated crystals. You can see this like tourmaline, striated crystals, hardness, specific gravity, and striated crystals are the diagnostic properties. Chemical composition, see the difference. Ca2Al3, SiO4, Si2O7, OOH. Both are same. Crystal system is orthorhombic. Zoisite is orthorhombic. Clinozoisite is monoclinic. Uses, both are used as gemstones, but zoisite, tanzanite, anyolite, and thulite are the gemstone usage and small sculptures. And the clinozoisite also used as gemstone. Now we can see the differences between these two minerals. It is very interesting. The difference between the two minerals, that is zoisite and clinozoisite, is in their crystal structure only. You have to watch the crystal structure and you can identify the both zoisite and clinozoisite. Zoisite is a member of the orthorhombic crystal system and clinozoisite is monoclinic. This is the difference. Zoisite is orthorhombic and the clinozoisite is monoclinic. They are difficult to tell apart in hand specimen unless well-formed crystals are present. We have to watch the crystal formation. If it is not well-formed crystal formation, we can't identify both differences. So, optical tests and X-ray diffraction are the best ways to make positive identification. To get the positive identification, we need to check the optical tests, do the optical tests and X-ray diffraction to understand the crystal system, orthorhombic or monoclinic. So that is very important thing. Zoisite is the orthorhombic form of calcium aluminium silicate. This is the chemical formula. Zoisite is the orthorhombic form and the clinozoisite is the monoclinic form. Remember this. Gem quality crystals of clinozoisite are sometimes cut into faceted stones. It is considered to be a collector's stone, monoclinic one, because it is rarely seen in jewelry. Clinozoisite is rarely seen in jewelry. Here it is, zoisite is a mineral that includes several gem varieties. What are the several gem varieties included in zoisites? The most important and well-known is Tanzanite, a sensational blue gemstone, only found in Tanzania. The variety Thulite, another one is Thulite. It is also zoisite. Tanzanite and Thulite. The variety Thulite is used as a minor pink gemstone. This is pink gemstone. It also includes the zoisite family. Thulite. A variety known as ruby zoisite, another one. The ruby zoisite, which is green zoisite associated with opaque red ruby, is used as a carving gemstones as well as a minor gem. The term zoisite is rarely used on its own in the gemstone trade. Then Thulite. What is Thulite? Thulite is an opaque. Remember, it is opaque one. Tanzanite is transparent one, blue color one. Thulite is pink color, opaque one, variety of zoisite that is cut into cabochons, only cut into cabochons and used to produce small sculptures. It is also a rare material found in Norway, Namibia, Australia, North Carolina, and a few other locations. It is rarely seen in commercial use. Thulite is rarely seen in commercial use. This is Thulite. See the pendant. Tanzanite is very popular jewelry gemstone, faceted into all different gemstone cuts. It is faceted into any gem cuts. Thulite is an inexpensive one, inexpensive stone used for cabochons and beads. Green zoisite and ruby zoisite are also used as cabochons and beads and are popular and are popular material for ornamental figures, such as animal carvings. Uses this zoisite thulite. Now you can see the Tanzanite. Blue zoisite is called Tanzanite. This is 14 carats Tanzanite stone. It is like a blue sapphire. Very beautiful stone. Zoisite. Shown right are 4 specimens of zoisite in unusual colors. These 4 specimens here. Look at the 4 specimens. All are zoisite family. Top row, this one and this one. Pink and yellow crystals. Pink and yellow crystals with orthorhombic crystal habit. Zoisite. Bottom row, left, this one. A party-colored specimen with shades of green and pink in the same crystal. Right side, a blue-green crystal with nice termination. This one. All are zoisites. This is the blue color one called Tanzanite. All are zoisite. If you not yet subscribed, please subscribe and give a like and a comment. Share to all. Now here you can see very beautiful rough stones in Tanzanite. Watch that. See green color one, yellow zoisite, pink Tanzanite. Look at the pink color one, blue color one, rough stones, green, ruby, red is there. See, blue and another color also there. All are Tanzanites, rough stones. Look at this. Anyolite, also known as ruby in zoisite. Anyolite. Look at this stone, green color mother stone with a ruby. This is ruby crystal with the blue color, green color, anyolite. This is called anyolite. So, cabochones are here, anyolite here. What is it? Anyolite is a very colorful rock composed mainly of zoisite. It is also known as ruby in zoisite. Anyolite is the name. Another name for that is ruby in zoisite, because it is composed of green zoisite with bright red ruby crystals. Green zoisite, and here it is red ruby crystal. Sometimes accompanied by black crystals of the hornblende schermarkite. It is used to produce cabochones, tumble stones, small sculptures and ornamental objects only. It is anyolite. Then here, varieties. Anyolite, synonym of ruby zoisite. Ruby zoisite means anyolite. Ruby zoisite, mixture of opaque red ruby in green zoisite from Tanzania. Ruby zoisite has pretty contrast and is used as a minor gemstone, being polished into cabochones and carved into ornamental figures. Tanzanite is transparent blue gem variety of zoisite from Tanzania. Thulite, pink manganese-rich variety of zoisite. That is called thulite. Manganese-rich variety. Then here, it is zoisite treatments. Here we are discussing about the zoisite treatments and enhancements. Tanzanite is heat treated to achieve the blue color. Remember that. Tanzanite is heat treated to achieve the blue color. The other forms of zoisite are naturally colored and usually not enhanced, the other colors. Zoisite sources. The only source of Tanzanite is in the Tanzania. Pink thulite comes from Norway, Australia, and the US, North Carolina. Green zoisite and ruby zoisite come from Tanzania. That is the only source coming from. You can see here. ruby zoisite. These are ruby zoisites. Green zoisite is the mother stone, and the ruby is the other red color stone. So types of zoisites. Number 1, Tanzanite. It is blue color gem. Number 2, Thulite. These are Thulite, pink color ones. Number 3, ruby zoisite. So zoisites are Tanzanites, Thulite, and ruby zoisite are considered as the zoisite family. Now you can understand here also. See the stones here. Zoisite. See this stone. Bicolor 7.79 carats. Tanzanite. It is Tanzanite. Green to blue. Changing color. You can remember tourmaline. But very beautiful stone. Coming from Tanzania only. This is rare green, yellow, orange, and pink Tanzanite. Green, yellow, orange, and pink Tanzanite are here. Green Tanzanite. Both are green Tanzanites. Now you can understand the colors of Tanzanite. Join us, learn, and enrich your future. If you forgot to subscribe yet, please subscribe and give a like and share to your all friends and relatives to learn these free classes, free lessons, free content. We are joining again. With our next lesson, part 2. It is lesson number 44.